Hey guys, doing today, guys? We have a clutch here for you guys. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jay with Gripforce Clutches, and here we have a clutch kit for a 2016 to 2022 Honda Civic, and for the 2017 2022 SI, and the 2018 to 2020 Accord 1.5. That's what this clutch kit fits and vehicle applications. And keep in mind, it's for the 1.5 engine. So we're gonna do it real quick. We're gonna start over here with the clutch disc here. We have different variants of this. We have the full face. I believe we do have the 6-puck, which is the stage 3. It's gonna come with a pressure plate as well. And then here we're gonna have our release bearing and alignment tool. And then we have the flywheel. So this right here is gonna be a setup that you can purchase here at Gripforce. Now keep in mind, you can get the clutch kit and flywheel separate, okay? So if you do already have the flywheel of the clutch, you can get either one from the Gripforce website, okay? Thank you guys for watching.